Adam Duxter picks up our team coverage from the West Metro in Medina right now. So, Adam, it sounds like they're already getting ready.
Yeah, Frank, the calm before the storm, quite literally. It is quiet here right now at Hennepin County Public Works, but they've spent much of this week getting ready, getting these plows ready, doing any last-minute maintenance that they have to do, because come Sunday morning at 2 a.m., it is going to be all hands on deck. 53 plows out at once trying to tackle this massive snowstorm, and the men and women here say this is exactly what they live for. It is why they do the job, and it is going to be, yes, all hands on deck, not just here in Hennepin County, but also across the river in Ramsey County, where they say they've got a team of 28 snowplow drivers ready to go. The big thing that they're stressing is that, well, they don't know exactly what they'll see on the roads. They're asking if you can help it to stay off the roads, because they say not only does it create a more difficult surface to plow when you're driving over that snow over and over again, they say it can be a little difficult for maybe some of the newer rookie plow drivers going through their very first snowstorm.
We do have a fair amount of new drivers that came on this year, and when you start to lose where medians are, where curbs are, in the conditions with the blowing snow, your visibility is so narrow scoped that it makes it incredibly difficult for these drivers and operators to do this safely.
And one thing to look out for is the potential for snow emergencies in Minneapolis and St. Paul. We haven't heard anything quite yet. That doesn't mean we won't. And at least one person with the cities today told me to tell folks, if you aren't signed up for the text message alerts yet from your city, now is the time to do so, because Frank and Amelia, the last thing you want to see is not only all of the snow you have to shovel, but also the fact that your car has been towed to an impound lot coming up in the next few days.
That would be a bummer. That's a great reminder, Adam. We appreciate that. Thank you. Cities outside of the metro are also planning for a direct hit from this storm as well. Conor Wight joins us live about an hour south of the metro in Owatonna. Hi, Conor.
Hi, Frank. Traffic is flowing normally behind me on I-35, but a plow driver with the state says it's possible that it will need to shut down once the worst of the storm really takes hold here. Now, even with the heavy equipment that they're preparing today, it's not enough to keep up with the forecasted snowfall. That's the possibility. The Minnesota State Department of Transportation is asking drivers to pay attention to advisories and warnings to avoid unnecessary emergencies, which could end up requiring the attention of the National Guard stationed in Owatonna. A commercial truck driver tells us he's just passing through Minnesota, and he was quite direct when he says what he finds to be the most dangerous thing on the road in a storm like this. So he's thankful he's not sticking around.
How does that change the way that you might be navigating?
It really don't change how I navigate. It just changes the way I drive. I slow down, pay attention to all these other stupid drivers.
So there are kinder ways to put it, and that came from the State Department of Transportation. They're asking drivers to be aware, to listen to warnings and advisories, because the worst of it, of course, is meant to start in about 24 hours' time.
Yeah, maybe that's all code for just don't be stupid. That guy was pretty blunt, but we get it. Yeah. All right, Conor. Thank you. Good luck in Owatonna. The storm is hitting during a busy travel time with many schools on spring break. Delta says it's already canceling some weekend flights ahead of the storm. Affected travelers can change their plans for free. United, Sun Country, and Southwest are also offering travel waivers right now.